NASA's Unexplained Files. A hydrogen atom is an atom of the chemical element hydrogen. The electrically neutral atom contains a single positively charged proton and a single negatively charged electron bound to the nucleus by the column first. Atomic hydrogen constitute about 75% of the baryonic mass of the universe. The special thing about hydrogen is transparent to visible light, to infrared light, and to ultraviolet light to wavelength below 1800 amperes. Because its molecular weight is lower than that of any other gas, its molecules have a velocity higher than those of any other gas at a given temperature, and it diffuses faster than any other gas. Is hydrogen harmful to humans? Hydrogen is non-toxic. In addition, because hydrogen is much lighter than air, it dissipates rapidly when it is released, allowing for relatively rapid dispersal of the fuel in case of a leak. What is the duration of a space signal? Scientists detect an unexplainable radio signal from outer space that repeats every 16 days. The verse originated from a galaxy 500 million light years away. What is the significance of 1420 or 1420 megahertz signal was a strong narrow band radio signal in the frequency range of 1420 megahertz, discovered in 1977 by radio astronomer Jerry Eman. After reviewing recorded data from Ohio State's Big Ear Telescope, there remained best evidence to date for a signal that might have come from an extraterrestrial civilization. In a recent reanalysis of the WOW signal, Antonio Faris from the Center of Planetary Science at St. Petersburg College in Florida provides further evidence that the signal was most likely caused by a natural source, such as a comet. Paris and co-author Ivan Davis suggested in a paper published last year that the comet 266 Christensen, which was discovered 9 years after the WOW signal, was in the celestial vicinity of the signal at the time it was detected and might in fact have been sourced. They reached that conclusion after extrapolating the comet trajectory back to 1977. For a new study, Faris conducted more than 200 observations with a 10-meter radio telescope. He found that various natural sources have a strong signal at 1420 MHz and that peaked the intensity at Comet 266. The WOW signal in his conclusion came from a natural sources rather than being from another world, ET or and entities. The WOW signal was a strong narrow band radio signal detected on August 15, 1977 by Ohio State University Big Ear Radio Telescope in the United States, then used to support the search for extraterrestrial intelligence. Has a mysterious signal from constellation of Sagittarius finally been explained, which some astronomers believe that the WOW signal was caused by comet, while others think it was caused by something else or an entities, or mining a comet for natural resources as having a large amount of radio signal frequency wavelength indispensable use worldwide. What an astonishing mystery about this occurrence in outer space. This is me, Ron Ardan of XTS Electrical Cable and Satellite Company. My real name is Roland P. Arayata of Rosario Cavite, Philippines. As viewing what was the WOW signal here in NASA's Unexplained Files.